Imagine walking into a jungle social club where ear flaps, gentle trunk touches, and rumbles are the standard greetings. The social lives of elephants, as it turns out, are filled with expressive gestures and intricate communication styles that reveal complex relationships. These iconic animals bond, empathize, and even resolve disputes within their tightly knit groups. Let's dive into the video. Ear flaps and rumbles. Elephants have unique greeting rituals that involve an intriguing combination of sounds, gestures, and even trunk-to-trunk touches. These rituals go beyond simple recognition, serving as a bonding mechanism for strengthening relationships within the herd. When two elephants meet after separation, the reunion can involve intense physical contact, from trunk wrapping to synchronized rumbles, underscoring the importance of physical closeness. These gestures aren't random. Researchers have observed that the intensity and type of greeting can vary depending on how long the elephants were apart and their relationship's strength. For example, close family members may engage in more tactile greetings, while more distant acquaintances might stick to rumbles and gentle trunk touches. This intricate greeting protocol reinforces their social hierarchy and provides emotional reassurance. Name-calling. Elephants' unique vocal identifiers. Elephants' ability to use vocalizations as identifiers is comparable to humans calling each other by name. Researchers have discovered that these names are formed through individual-specific rumble frequencies, which family members and allies can distinguish. These vocal identifiers help elephants navigate their expansive social networks, especially in large herds or dispersed groups. The fact that elephants remember and respond to these sounds over long distances reveals their advanced auditory processing and cognitive capabilities. In social gatherings, these identifiers prevent confusion and maintain order, as elephants can immediately recognize who is calling and respond accordingly. Researchers believe these names are essential for survival, especially when family members are separated by distance due to migration or territorial shifts. Memory like an elephant? Absolutely. Elephants are celebrated for their remarkable memory, which plays a crucial role in their survival and social organization. Research highlights that elephants can recall family members, water sources, food locations, and even interactions with particular humans or animals for decades. This skill is especially crucial during dry seasons when the matriarch's memory helps the herd locate hidden water sources from previous years. Remarkably, elephants have been observed to differentiate between human languages and voices, associating certain sounds with either kindness or potential danger. A recent study found that herds could even remember human poachers years after an encounter, displaying behaviors that indicate recognition and wariness when in the vicinity of certain regions. Synchronized movements and group decisions. Group decision-making among elephants is a sophisticated process that relies on the matriarch's wisdom and the herd's cohesion. The matriarch leads movements with distinct signals like a specific "let's go" rumble, which members respond to promptly, displaying trust in her judgment. Young elephants learn this coordination by imitating adults, practicing social cues and synchronization that will one day help them lead. The matriarch's signals are essential during migration, where the safety of the group depends on unified and swift responses. Additionally, recent studies have shown that elephants vote on decisions by using specific vocalizations, where family members make subtle rumbles to express agreement, further emphasizing the collective nature of their social life. Male social circles, the bachelor herds. Bachelor herds provide a unique social structure for male elephants, where they experience freedom while learning from elder males. These groups, often referred to as learning grounds, help young males understand the social hierarchy, develop self-defense techniques, and even practice mating rituals. When they reach maturity, many males return to these herds periodically to reaffirm alliances and practice social skills that help prevent fatal confrontations. Unlike female-led family groups, male elephant groups are less cohesive, marked by occasional friendly sparring and dominance games. Research shows that bachelor herds play a vital role in mitigating aggression among males, as these groups establish a social hierarchy without direct competition over mating rights. Goodbye and hello. Elephant mourning and celebration. Elephants display extraordinary empathy when mourning their dead, often engaging in prolonged grieving rituals that involve standing vigil, covering the deceased with leaves, and sometimes returning to the location for days or even weeks. This behavior extends beyond their immediate family. Elephants have been known to mourn friends or former allies, treating them with the same respect they would for a family member. Scientists have observed that even when encountering the bones of unrelated elephants, some herds exhibit solemn behavior, gently touching and examining the bones, suggesting a possible recognition of death. These observations reinforce the idea that elephants possess a profound sense of life and loss, a rarity in the animal kingdom that reflects their highly developed emotional intelligence. Mother's touch, elephant parenting and protection. Mother elephants play a central role in calf development, with maternal instincts that go beyond feeding and physical protection. Studies reveal that elephants use a variety of methods to discipline and teach their young, such as gentle trunk nudges or leading them away from potential dangers. This support is bolstered by allomothering, where other females, often related to the mother, help in the care and education of the calf. In times of stress, like predator encounters, allomothers and the mother create a protective barrier around the young, showcasing a communal approach to parenting. Research has shown that allomothering enhances the survival rate of calves by fostering a secure environment where they can learn and play freely. Touching base. Trunk communication. The trunk is perhaps the most versatile and expressive tool in an elephant's social toolkit. Beyond its functional use for feeding and drinking, elephants use their trunks to communicate a range of emotions, from affection to warnings. Recent studies have shown that elephants can tell the health and emotional state of others simply by touching them with their trunks. When distressed, elephants will often reach out their trunks to comfort each other, demonstrating empathy in a tactile way. This trunk-touching behavior extends to reconciling after conflicts, where the offended elephant may touch the offender to indicate forgiveness, showcasing how these gentle giants value social harmony within their group. Infrasound conversations. The secret language. Infrasound communication is a key feature of elephant society, enabling them to maintain contact across vast distances without sight or direct touch. These low-frequency rumbles, imperceptible to humans, can travel up to 10 kilometers, allowing elephants to coordinate movements and warn each other of potential threats. Research has found that these infrasounds also help prevent unnecessary confrontations by signaling presence and intent, crucial in regions where resources are scarce. Each herd has a distinct infrasound dialect, making it easier for members to recognize familiar groups. This sophisticated communication network allows elephants to create an interconnected society that spans great distances. Interfamily bonds and friendship circles. Elephants' social structures include fascinating interfamily bonds, often referred to as friendship circles. These alliances go beyond their core family groups, providing benefits like shared protection, companionship, and access to more resources. During mating seasons, for instance, male elephants frequently travel between these groups to form broader connections, reducing competition for mates and establishing cooperative networks that benefit the whole population. Studies have shown that elephants remember and recognize specific individuals from other herds, renewing their bonds through periodic reunions, which reveals the strength and depth of these social ties. These friendship circles highlight the intelligence and social sophistication of elephants as they engage in intentional alliances and maintain connections that are critical for survival in their ever-changing environments. This behavior underscores the essential role of friendship and alliance in their society, similar in some ways to the complex social networking seen in humans and other advanced mammals. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey into the social lives of elephants. From their unique gratings to their strong family bonds and secret infrasound conversations, these gentle giants show us just how complex and beautiful their world truly is. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss out on our next video.